Alright, here we go. I'm going to build this computer from scratch. No idea what I'm doing, I'm just watching YouTube videos. Here we go. It's Christmas time in the city. Ah, jeez. 5 minutes in and I stabbed myself, dude. There's the triangle. Yo, what's up, dude?
What's up?
Alright. So.
The scary part.
Yeah, I know, this is a so
Yeah, just line the triangles up and make sure like they're really aligned. That and putting the RAM in are probably the scariest parts. Everything else is super.
Alright, so align the triangle with the triangle, just drop it in there. Okay, it seems pretty secure. Then I close the door first.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, and is this a screw-in one? These are way better.
This pushes this down?
Yep. You feel tension?
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, then that's good.
It's scary. It feels like I'm forcing it.
It will, yeah, like when you'll press it down and then you'll hear a click and it'll sound scary too, but the scary part.
This closes all the way down?
It should. If it feels like you're forcing it, don't though.
I didn't hear a snap or anything. And it closed.
That's in.
Alright, so it's gotta be this way. Okay, that seems pretty secure.
There should be like a click too when it's fully in.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that one
Yep.
snapped in. This is annoying. Last time in the city. On the floor. Nice. We're gonna move this up here. There's no room on this table. Got a lot going on, I can barely see. Yeah, I can't see in this case at all. Nice. Silver bell. Zip ties and a bunch of screws. Okay, this goes back here. It doesn't just snap in, bro. Maybe it does. I guess. Okay, so we're gonna lay this case down. Ay, ay, ay. Really playing with fire here. Okay, I'm gonna put this backing back on. So scary. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna lay this down. Alright. Which way does this go? I hope we're recording. This fan is kind of in the way. I need a better screwdriver for that. Why did that just turn off? It died? Are you kidding me right now? I was removing all of these fan screws so I could put the motherboard in comfortably. Whoa. There are cords attached to that. That is so lovely. There goes that idea.
The trick here is to screw until you start to feel some resistance, then stop. Because
Playing some serious game of operation here. Just a quick $1,400 in the line. Alright, now with the motherboard, there should be 9 screws. This is where we look at this is where we RTFM right here. Where's the case? Manual. Okay, it's in Chinese. B is screw 632 5mm. Boom, this top one. There's one. Oh, come on, bro. You can't do this to me. Do you know how much I sacrificed? Chat, are we working with the right screws here? I think this screwdriver sucks. That's what I think. It's pretty damn snug.
this is the GPU, right?
Here's the GPU. It's the next part going in. Okay, now we are putting in the power supply. If I was a human, if I had a brain, I would put it in like this. Just, what does it sit on? I look like a madman. Okay, so I found out that it just clips onto the default clips, so I gotta put those back. I guess it just freaking sticks on there. There's pre-applied thermal paste. Guessing this face is up.
Straight onto the sockets over
retention mechanism. Because of the socket design, the cooler can only go on one way, so make sure to align it properly. One side is spaced narrow, and the other side spaced wide.
Come on, dude. You, dude. Okay, now how do I make sure it snaps?
CPU like so, making sure it's flat and perpendicular to your surface. Perpendicular. I used to say that.
This is almost always right next to the CPU socket, and for ASUS motherboards, it tends to be on the top edge, as seen here. Like
Okay.
this.
Ow. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of you. Merry little Christmas. Motherboards. Bro, this is such a project. Yo, what's up, dude? The gang's all here. You wanna see what I'm doing right now? Bro, I'm trying to... Look at my room.
Dude.
I almost blew myself up, dude. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure it out. Alright, we're about to do the initial boot test. I'm going to plug a keyboard. I need a cord. Okay, keyboard, power, plugged in. Okay.
This is where the screwdriver comes in.
I'm in a bricks. Alright, here we go. Nothing. Alright. Alright, well, after calling Connor, we got the computer turning on and all that stuff. I'm on the BIOS screen. I'm installing Windows onto a flash drive in the other room on a shitty ass PC because I can't do it on Mac unless I pay for some software for $30, so I'm not doing that. I think we're at the end stretch. I'm waiting for Windows to finish installing onto that. Trying to flash it onto the flash drive in the other room. Then after that, I bring it over here and I put it in the computer. And hopefully it flashes onto there, and then there's Windows installed, and hopefully that should be the end of it. This has been a very frustrating task. I started this like 5 hours ago. After 6 hours, I got the computer to boot up and got Windows installed. It's working, but the power supply is sitting on the desk, and I still gotta put 2 other fans in. But we're in business. Come on. Oh my gosh. English. Next. Install Windows 11. Finally made some progress. Downloading Windows 11. 10% complete. This might take forever. Now it's at 11%. I gotta go to bed. Oh, we did it, dude. Tomorrow, I will have to finish actually putting the whole thing together. Organizing all of that. The cables and whatnot. Looking at some games and downloading. Get to it. We are in, baby. We're in. But we did it after 6 hours. Like 6.5 almost. Thank you, Lord.